I've been very lucky man for last 2 months going around all the businesses in Portumna, Borzikenenbor and surrounding areas, and very often I find beautiful businesses and business people. Today I'm visiting Sandra Cole from Cole Ceramics. It is absolutely beautiful here. It's practically creative heaven. You see smile on my face, and we are going to show you process of creating ceramics. Process of how to make it from the scratch. Of course, we won't make it home, but we will try to show you bits, and I will show you bits around here. So please bear with us, and video may be slightly longer, but definitely interesting. And please check Sandra's website, Cole Ceramics.
Yes.
And also come to Terry Glass Pottery. She's selling directly from her shop. And you can find all the details in the Locus Focus app. So please watch video until the end, and we'll show you all the interesting bits around here and all these beautiful creative bits for cheese making here. So we will start in Sandra's shop in Terry Glass, and I will show. We practically start at the end of the creation process. So this is the end product. What you can see here, beautiful flowers. Here displayed, hopefully you see it well, framed pictures and all the other ceramics, beautiful presents for your loved ones. This is really beautiful stuff, and a bit here on the table as well, just this way. Hopefully it will be visible well for all of you. And I'll show you one small bit. These are framed flowers. I can this way. And one bit, I show you these bluebells here. We are going to show you process of creation of these bluebells in Sandra's workshop. So you can watch later practically how it starts and how this beautiful bit is made from very beginning. And another bit here is right this display, so you can come have a look and shop directly here, or call ceramics data e, and of course check Locus Focus app for all the details. We are in Sandra's workshop now. And as I said, we are doing things other way around. So we showed you a final product. Here is the bluebells, but they are practically ready to go to kiln. Are they ready already? Yes. First time in the kiln?
No, they're just dry clay yet.
So dry clay. So they will go after this process to the kiln, and then they will be glazed.
Yes.
And to kiln again. So I remember the process now. So yeah. Process of cooking.
A quick learner.
Yeah, quick learner. So this usually Sandra gets clay, and she has nice big chunk of the clay. She's working out the clay into the smaller what we call it, pastry.
Well, it's just the rolled clay.
Rolled clay, yeah. It's a bit like cooking process, you know. Yes, so ladies would be familiar with the baking, not cooking, baking. So she has rolled bit of clay, then she will cut out a bit.
Yeah, so I just make my own. I develop my own shapes.
Yes.
So just say I make one of these little bells of the foxglove. So I just cut out the shape.
Is it blue? Is it bluebell or is it?
It's a foxglove actually.
Okay, so I named it wrongly. It's not bluebell. It's foxglove. Foxglove. Yes. Okay, perfect. Yes, just to keep botanical names right.
Well, you could make bluebells the same, but they're just much smaller. So you just need smaller fingers, I think.
Yeah.
I'm giving away my secrets here now.
Yeah. Everybody will be doing ceramics home now after that. So they may get ideas for baking from you, you know, then to create bits for baking.
Yeah, so I just manipulate or whatever you want to call it, just to get the form that I want. So that's more or less the little bell. Okay. And then I just have a little star. They're actually pastry cutters really for sugar craft.
Okay, okay.
For people who make wedding cakes, and
Okay, and you push them out, and this is the little flower.
this is the little the flower
Or-
for the top. So I just
Okay, this will be kind of green bit, isn't it? On the
yeah,
on
that
the
will
top,
be
yeah.
that will be the green
Yeah, the
bit.
leaf, yeah. Okay, okay, that's it.
Yeah, so it's actually
Okay,
quite-
all your
quite
secrets
simple.
are out now in
All
open,
my
you know.
secrets are out. So that's yeah. I just do different sizes too.
Yeah, and we have a look at this, how it looks like. So this is the final
so that
foxglove,
well, this piece won't be here now.
Yeah,
It'll be a
of
little
course.
bit different on the bottom, but
and this will go to kiln, and after that is glazed.
glazed. Yes.
Glazed, and after that is going to kiln again, and then is final product what you see there in the frame, and it's lots of work with the framing and other things as well. So lots and
It's-
lots of work involved in this beautiful art. So we,
It's
and
a
we
long-
will show, and we will go to show the kiln as well, if you don't mind.
Yes, yes, of course. Yeah.
We'll have a look at the kiln.
Okay.
Okay, so we are in the kiln room now, and this is the kiln where you see all these bits Sandra made earlier, and she can explain bits around. So what do we have in there?
This is it's all dry clay, so I'm just getting ready for the first fire, which is bisque fire, which I fire to 1,000 degrees, because this is earthenware. If I use mostly earthenware, but there's lots of different clays, and they all fire to different temperatures. So it's like stoneware is fires to 1260, which is very much hotter now.
And would you set up to 1260 this thing as well?
Yes, you can go to 1260.
Okay.
Yeah. Or
That's-
porcelain is the highest. You can go up to 1300.
Okay, that's very high.
It's very high. It's very
Yeah.
high. It's actually quite hard on your kiln. The higher temperatures you fire.
And lots of electricity used as well, I
lots
expect.
of electricity. Yes. So I just fire to 1140 for the glaze,
Okay.
which is not so bad. But this is only a bisque now, so it'll only go to 1,000. And so.
And you have different layers there.
I have lots of different layers. You can space your layers with these little risers.
Okay.
So I have some higher risers. It depends on what you're putting in. If you're putting in like little flowers, I don't need much height. So
Yeah.
depends
So
on what you're
different size of material you can set up your kiln.
Yes, and then it's called kiln furniture. So
Okay.
you just put in another shelf, and then I'm almost full here now, so I'll just put one more layer, and that's it. Then it's
Okay, and how long does it take to practically keep these things burned out first time?
well, you can choose your program, so you can do a fast bisque or a slow bisque. And if the clay is completely dry, I just do a fast bisque.
Okay.
Which I won't be able to open it until tomorrow evening. So it'll heat up during the day and cool down during the night.
Okay, so it
Yeah.
goes slowly up and slowly down, so it
Yes.
wouldn't make any damage on the
Yeah,
material.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
so it's not fast cooking; it's really
No,
slow
no,
cooking.
it's very slow. It's already pre-programmed. So
Okay,
it
okay.
knows
So yeah,
it's on.
so it dries to up to, let's say, this 1,000 degrees,
1,000 degrees.
and then slowly cool down, so
Yeah.
material wouldn't get cracked or any kind of damage on it.
Absolutely, yeah.
And then you can take it out and you glaze it, and then you put it in again.
Yes,
And how long? How big temperature do you have for the second?
for the glaze it's
Yeah, for the
1140.
1140. Okay,
Yes.
so that's high temperature again. So
It
it's going
is,
into
it is.
through same process again. So
Yes.
practically 24-hour
Yeah.
once and 24 hours
It
second
is
time.
another 24 hours, so
Okay.
it's kind of a slow process. But then it's very exciting then, especially if you've tried some new glazes. You'd be excited to see how they all turn
Yeah,
out.
how they turn up. Okay, thank you very much. This is beautiful, and people will have a nice idea how things are made, and how much work is involved in these kind of products. That they are not coming easy and cheap, and they are really special, and lots of talent and hard work is involved. Thank you, Sandra.
Thank you very much.